All right, everyone, welcome back. Here we are for the big finale. Here's my horn. I know yours looks much better than mine. As you can see, I've taped all along the top, all along the insides, along the bottom, and along the seams on the edge. As you can tell, it's not perfect. It's got a lot of wrinkles. I made some mistakes here. I had to go back, put some more tape on. It's okay. It doesn't matter. If you didn't get it perfectly straight, no big deal. Grab some more tape and put it right on there. The important thing is that you have nice taped edges all the way around to protect the edges of the phone. Hopefully some of you maybe remembered my little trick about bending the foil tape before you used it. You might have found it made it a lot easier to do that fold over inside this crease. If you didn't, hey, no big deal. Now you got a little trick to make it a little easier when you make your next horn. So that's it. Could have been a day, could have been several class periods while you finished up yours. I finished up the one I have, and I'm all set now for the next time we get together to put this piece right on top of the paint can receiver. So awesome work. I know yours look great, better than mine for sure. And thank you for a good day's work. Also want to thank West Virginia University for providing us with this beautiful makerspace construction area to film these videos for you. To Dr. Kevin Bandura, who is the sponsor of the DSPIRA program, of which constructing the radio telescope horn is a part. We call it DSPIRA for short. That means digital signal processing and radio astronomy, DSPIRA. And we have to be very careful because any of us that are part of the program, if we make a mistake, we have to run from the law. Well, then, of course, we become the desperados. Oh, man, that was terrible. What a way to end. But thank you all for your attention. Hope you had fun building this part. Can't wait to come back and join with you to learn how we build the paint can receiver, a wooden stand, and then lastly, how we put it all together when we take it out in the field and get you some readings on how the galaxy works. Bye-bye for now.